Storms in Spain continue to cause flooding. The storms developed and intensified in the Mediterranean, where they made landfall throughout the day, along the coast of Alicante and nearby areas, accompanied by small hail, locally intense and of short duration. In the case of the Castellón coast, the storm passed very close to the coast and moved from north to south with very strong intensity. The amount of precipitation in the last 4 hours on the Columbus Islands was 54 liters per square meter. Today's storm caused leaks at Ibiza Airport and also flooded roads. Emergency services recommend extreme caution.